Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on use external sounds on your role settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here and now click settings and now click roles, click here and now click permissions, and here you will find use soundboard, and here you will find use external sounds. Click on it and click save, and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.